Hello, going to go through a few videos about the basic skills you need to know for your source-based case study. First one is, of course, your basic inference. Now, when you see the basic inference, of course, please highlight question word, and you must write the question word down when you write the answer, okay? Next thing you do is highlight the question topic. This question topic is reason for merger. So make sure your inference has to be relevant to this question topic, okay? So highlight these two things to make sure you don't go off point. Next, just read the source very quickly. So reason for merger, again, you have economic, political. Most of the time for reasons for merger, it will fall under this, right? Economic, political, or social. Social also comes under security, yeah. Okay, so then you take a look, which one is it talking about? Look for the direct evidence. In this case, I would see it says that merger. Okay, so the topic is merger, right? I follow the topic merger. Okay, what will merger do? Basically allow Malaya to reduce political instability that might arise from Singapore. Alright, then you must make some sense of this statement by brainstorming yourself, drawing some annotation. What does it mean, reduce political instability? Well, basically it could mean that it will allow you to have stability, right? It will allow for peace to happen, right? It will allow for unity because your country will be stable, right? Now, where is this political instability coming from? Most likely it's coming from the communist threat. Yes, and how will merger allow you to deal with this communist threat? Basically, you can combine your security forces. All right. So it's largely talking about security, right? This line here, merger will allow Malaya to reduce political instability. So there I have my main inference is one short word or one short phrase, please. In this case, it will be for security reasons. So when I write my answer down, make sure that I write the question word learn, and then I write the question topic reason for merger, so I can learn reason for merger. And then I write the short and sweet inference security benefits to both Singapore and Malaya. Very short, very sweet, but to the point, and it's clear security benefits. How I know security benefits? Then I just need to quote my evidence here. Merger will allow Malaya to reduce blah blah blah. Okay, one whole line here that talk about the political instability. The main word here is the political instability that might arise if the merger will not happen, right? Because it says here reduce, it will help to reduce political instability. So what, right? So when you explain, you can ask yourself the question, so what, then what, or what's the implication? Okay, what's the implication of of reducing political instability? Well, you can reduce the communist threat, right? Or so what if you reduce political instability, right? What's the implication for this? The implication is it will help you to achieve peace, right? It will help you to achieve peace. Okay. So what, then what? Then what? After you reduce political instability, then what's going to happen? Again, same. It's going to be, you're going to be peace. You're going to be able to deal with the communist threat. So can you see my explanation here is very clear, right? I can write about dealing with the communist threat. I write about joint security, and lastly, a strong anti-communist Malayan government. And I can also include the thing about peace. Merger will help to bring peace to both countries. So that is what I want to see in your explanation, okay? Your explanation, which is this portion here. And please start with this suggest and give me things that are well extended. Again, how to do it? Look at the evidence. Is to look at the evidence and ask yourself, so what if the evidence says this? Then what? Or what is the implication for the evidence saying this? And how does it link back to my main point here, which is the merger bringing security benefits? All right, so please be as clear as possible, and once again, don't leave Okay, this whole portion here, just to repeat myself one more time, this portion here should not be lifted, right? It should be in your own words. Okay, of course, here the main inference should also be in your own words. So take the time to check back again for all your inferences, all your explanations. They are made in your own words and they are well extended. All right.